Hello, and welcome to the Decor channel. If you're new here, I'm Luna, and I'm so excited you're joining us today. If you're ready to transform your farmhouse kitchen for spring, you're in the right place. We're going to explore fresh and beautiful decor ideas that will bring the charm of the season into your home. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button like this video and leave a comment down below to let me know your favorite spring decor piece. Spring is such a wonderful time to refresh your home, and the kitchen is a space where we gather, cook, and create memories. Whether you're a fan of soft pastels or a more natural, earthy style, there's a farmhouse-inspired look that will make your space feel warm, inviting, and full of life. So, let's get started and bring the beauty of spring right into your kitchen. When it comes to spring, nothing says fresh like soft pastel colors. Think pale pinks, mint greens, and light blues that are both calming and uplifting. These colors work beautifully in a farmhouse kitchen as they evoke the soft hues of spring flowers and blooming trees. You can incorporate pastels through items like dish towels, small appliances, and even spring-inspired floral arrangements. Consider adding a pastel-colored backsplash or accent pieces like vintage-style glass jars or pottery. These subtle pops of color are perfect for creating a fresh, airy feel in your kitchen. Don't be afraid to mix and match different pastel tones, as they complement each other and add a playful yet elegant touch to your decor. Spring is the time for blooms, and what better way to bring the beauty of the season indoors than with seasonal floral arrangements? Fresh flowers in a farmhouse kitchen can create an instant uplift, bringing color and natural beauty to your space. You can place them in rustic mason jars, vintage vases, or even simple glass pitchers for a charming look. If you're looking for something low maintenance, consider faux flowers like lavender or daisies. These look just as lovely as fresh flowers but require no upkeep. Arrange them on your kitchen table, countertops, or even hanging from shelves to infuse your space with a touch of nature. A key element of farmhouse style is the use of natural wood. To enhance the spring vibe in your kitchen, incorporate more wooden elements like cutting boards, open shelving, or even a new farmhouse-style dining table. These natural accents provide warmth and texture, complementing the soft spring colors and florals. You can also use wood in smaller accents, such as rustic wooden trays or decorative bowls, to showcase seasonal fruits or herbs. These small touches will add depth to your kitchen, making it feel cozy and lived in while still embracing the seasonal theme of renewal and growth. Another fantastic way to embrace the spring season in a farmhouse kitchen is by adding woven textures. Think of adding woven baskets, placemats, or table runners made from natural fibers like jute or seagrass. These elements will add a touch of rustic charm and create a laid-back, welcoming atmosphere. Baskets are also great for organizing kitchen items or even holding fresh fruits and vegetables. Place a large basket on your kitchen island or hang smaller ones on the wall to bring in texture and practicality. The natural look of woven materials pairs beautifully with fresh flowers, wood, and other farmhouse essentials. What better way to celebrate spring than by bringing nature into your kitchen with a fresh herb garden? Growing herbs like basil, thyme, or rosemary in small pots on your windowsill or countertop not only adds greenery, but also provides fresh ingredients for your cooking. For an extra farmhouse touch, try using vintage-style containers or galvanized metal pots. These rustic containers will not only look adorable, but also give your kitchen that earthy, farm-to-table feel. Plus, having fresh herbs on hand makes cooking with seasonal ingredients even more enjoyable. Lighting is an essential part of setting the mood in any room, and your kitchen is no exception. For a spring-inspired farmhouse kitchen, consider swapping out heavy dark light fixtures for lighter, more airy ones. A pendant light with a distressed finish or a chandelier with exposed bulbs can add a soft, rustic charm to your space. If you want to go the extra mile, consider adding fairy lights or string lights around shelves or windows for a twinkling, whimsical touch. The warm, soft glow they give off will make your kitchen feel cozy and inviting, perfect for those long spring evenings spent with family and friends. Incorporating vintage pieces is a hallmark of farmhouse style, and adding them to your kitchen for spring will bring a sense of history and character. Look for antique pictures, enamelware, or vintage signs with spring-inspired messages. These items bring a nostalgic feeling to your space while still looking stylish and current. Don't be afraid to mix new and old elements. A vintage-style clock on the wall or a collection of antique bowls can add personality to your kitchen, while still complementing the light, fresh vibe of spring. These little vintage touches help tell a story and create a unique and inviting atmosphere. If you love to entertain or even just enjoy a nice family dinner, setting a seasonal table is a fun way to celebrate the spring season in your farmhouse kitchen. Use soft pastel-colored plates, linen napkins, and rustic cutlery to create a cohesive look. Adding small floral arrangements or sprigs of greenery as table centerpieces can bring the natural beauty of spring to the forefront. Consider using wooden placemats or chargers to add texture and warmth to your table setting. A gingham tablecloth or runner in soft colors will complete the look, giving your table a fresh, farmhouse feel perfect for spring meals. Your kitchen countertops are prime real estate when it comes to decor, so why not make them reflect the beauty of spring? Start by clearing away any clutter and focusing on a few well-chosen pieces. A large bowl of fresh fruit, a vintage butter dish, or a wooden tray with your favorite kitchen essentials can make your counters look clean and inviting. Add some decorative pieces like a farmhouse clock, a stack of cookbooks, or small potted plants to complete the look. These details will make your kitchen feel more lived in and cozy, perfect for the relaxed vibes of spring. A little farmhouse charm can go a long way with Playful signage. Consider adding a chalkboard sign with a hand-lettered spring quote or a simple wooden sign that says, "Welcome" or "Farm Fresh." These signs are an easy way to bring a personal touch to your kitchen, reflecting the joy and warmth of the season. You can also hang a seasonal wreath or sign on your kitchen door or above your sink for an added touch of farmhouse charm. These small details help set the mood for the season and are the perfect conversation starters for guests. Layering textiles is a simple way to make your kitchen feel cozy and welcoming. Start with a neutral-colored tablecloth or runner, and layer with patterned towels or placemats that reflect the soft tones of spring. Consider adding throw pillows or cushions to a nearby bench or chair to create a comfortable seating area for family and guests. Use textured fabrics like linen, cotton, or burlap to bring in more of that rustic farmhouse feel. These textiles add both comfort and style, creating an environment that's both functional and inviting. Thank you so much for joining me today as we transform this farmhouse kitchen for spring. I hope these ideas inspired you to bring the beauty of the season into your own space. Remember, it's all about embracing fresh colors, natural textures, and rustic charm to create a welcoming, seasonal atmosphere. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below with your favorite spring decor tip. I can't wait to hear how you're decorating your kitchen for the season. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.